हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ऐसी 10 टिप्स के बारे में जिसको सीख कर आप एक अच्छा अमेरिकन एक्सेंट अवेल कर सकते हैं। इफ यू वांट very beautiful accent, watch the full video and make sure that you subscribe this channel. Just hit the bell icon also and hurry up, just hit the subscribe button. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप नेटिव स्पीकर्स की तरह बोल सकें और आपका दिल करता है कि आप फ्लुएंट बोलें और हर एक वर्ड एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही प्रोनाउंस ना हो, तो जब कोई आपसे पूछे कि हाउ आर यू, तो आप कहते हैं आई एम ऑल राइट। आई एम ऑल राइट तो एक आम इंसान भी बोल सकता है, लेकिन अगर आप नेटिव स्पीकर्स की तरह बोलना चाहते हैं, सो नेटिव स्पीकर्स आई एम ऑल राइट नहीं बोलते। वो आई एम को बोलते हैं, ए एम की साउंड निकाल के, और ऑल राइट को वो ओ राइट बोलते हैं, ओ राइट। When someone is asking you how are you, so you say I'm alright, I'm alright. The technique number 2 is couldn't and shouldn't. क्या आप ये सोचते हैं कि नेटिव स्पीकर्स couldn't को couldn't और shouldn't को shouldn't ही बोलते हैं? Never. अगर हम couldn't में से D को साइलेंट करें, जैसे कि couldn't, और shouldn't में हम D को साइलेंट करें, shouldn't, तो नेटिव स्पीकर्स D को साइलेंट करके फ्लुएंटली बोलते हैं, like I couldn't do that, I shouldn't do that. For example, you shouldn't eat so much, like I'm just saying shouldn't. The third technique is very imperative. It's was. Do you think that native speakers say was? Never. Native speakers was जो word है उसको was नहीं was बोलते हैं, was, ताकि वो fluent बोल सके, तेजी से बोल सके, was. For example, if I say I was so busy last night. So what if I say I was so busy last night? I was so busy last night. It's like kind of fluent. Another example is I was just joking. So if I say I was just joking, I was just joking. There is a fluency in your pronunciation and speech, so you can speak fluently. The fourth technique is gotcha. Gotcha एक shortened word है got you का shortened word है gotcha. So हम इसको fluently बोलते हैं gotcha, और native speakers भी got you को gotcha बोलते हैं. If somebody is saying I understand what you are saying and your answer is gotcha, so I've got you that I am successful in making you understand my talking. The next tip is about saying is he or is she. क्या आप ये सोचते हैं कि नेटिव स्पीकर्स इज ही को इज ही और इज शी को इज शी बोलते हैं? नहीं, नेटिव स्पीकर्स इसको कनेक्टिविटी में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, इसको कनेक्ट करके बोल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इज ही कमिंग टू द ऑफिस. नेटिव स्पीकर्स इज ही को शॉर्टन फॉर्म में इजी बोलते हैं, IZI की प्रोनाउंसिएशन में, IZI, easy. Is he coming to the office? So that was easy. So what about is she? If we say is she all right? मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि all right को नेटिव स्पीकर्स all right बोलते हैं, all right. तो all right हो गया. अब is she को नेटिव स्पीकर्स क्या बोलते हैं? is she को नेटिव स्पीकर्स is she बोलते हैं, ISHI, is she. So if we read the full sentence, we say, is she alright? Is she alright? The next tip is about the word probably. Yeah, you say this word probably. But native speakers say this word probably. They silent one B from this word and they say probably. Probably का मतलब यानी शायद. अक्सर हम ये वर्ड पढ़ते हैं और हम कहते हैं probably, लेकिन native speakers probably नहीं बोलते, वो बोलते हैं probably. For example, if I say he probably wants to talk to you. It's kind of weird, like you're saying probably. It's like a whole long word. And if you say, he probably wants to talk to you, he probably wants to talk to you, it's like you're very fluent in your English and you're a native speaker. So cut one B from probably and say probably. Probably. So the next technique is little. Little. इस वर्ड को नेटिव स्पीकर्स कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं? लिडल, लिटल, या कुछ लोग लील भी बोलते हैं, लील. सो नेटिव स्पीकर्स कौन सा वर्ड चूज करते हैं अपनी प्रोनाउंसिएशन के लिए? They say little, little. If you focus on my pronunciation, I'm adding the letter D in this word little and I say little, little. There is a D sound in this word. For instance, it's a little cold in here. And if we say it's a little cold in here, it's a little cold in here. Yeah, it's like fluent. Some say little. It's little cold in here. It's little cold. Both are correct. You can say both of the pronunciations. The next tip is about what was. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया है कि was को नेटिव स्पीकर्स was कहते हैं WEZ की प्रोनाउंसिएशन के साथ was. लेकिन what को नेटिव स्पीकर्स क्या कहते हैं? What को नेटिव स्पीकर्स wa कहते हैं. Like T को हम साइलेंट करते हैं और wa कहते हैं. For example, if we say what was he doing? So native speakers say this line, what was he doing? What was he doing? What was. Like we say what was, native speakers say what was he doing? Let's take another example in which we say what was he talking about? So it is English in the pieces, and if we say what was he talking about? What was he talking about? Yeah, it's like fluent. The second last technique is I would. I would को नेटिव स्पीकर्स एज ए कॉन्ट्रैक्शन यूज करते हैं. मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस के बारे में वीडियो का लिंक डाल रखा है, वो आप देख सकते हैं. कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस में I would को नेटिव स्पीकर्स कैसे यूज करते हैं? If I say I would like to order something and native speakers say I'd, I would, I'd. There's an apostrophe in I would, so I'd like to order something. I'd like to order something. So let's get over through the last technique, which is I have been. Are you thinking that the native speakers will say I've been? They will use contraction. No. They say I've been. I have I've been. Native speakers fluent बोलने के लिए I have को आ की pronunciation में बोलते हैं. For example, if I say I have been looking for you. So native speakers say, I've been looking for you, I've been looking for you, I've been looking for you. Let's get over through another example, which is, I have been trying to get out. So native speakers say, I've been trying to get out. I've been trying to get out. So these were top 10 tips. And if you practice these, you will become a native speaker and you will speak fluently without any hesitation, and you will speak confidently, and you will make an eye contact with other person. So follow these 10 tips to avail the American accent. For more videos, just hit the like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video also. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.